This is a question on the topic of probability. So there's a game played between two players X and Y, and then they have a bag of 5 marbles. One of them is red color, and the rest are of different colors. So the game is to take turns to draw the marbles, and then whoever draws the red marble wins, right? So the first person to go is X, and the question is asking you if the game is fair, right? And to determine that, you have to calculate the probability that X wins. So how does this go? Right, we can illustrate the issue using a probability tree, and then we can see how the game unfolds, right? So the first branch will be like, okay, this will be red, right? At this layer, X goes first, right? He either picks red or other colors, right? Oh, okay, I'm just going to use O to represent other colors, right? So the probability of picking red is 1 out of 5. The probability of picking other colors is 4 out of 5. So if he picks red, he wins, right? If he picks other colors, then Y will go next. Okay, so it will branch out again. This time Y gets to pick, and then same thing. He either picks red, in which case he wins, or he picks another color, right? But yeah, remember for this game, right? There is no replacement. Okay, which means after X picks a marble, he doesn't put it back in the bag. So the probability of Y picking red now is 1 out of 4 because there are only 4 marbles left, right? And the probability of picking another color would be 3 out of 4, right? The remaining colors also like 3 left, right, out of a total 4. Okay, so assuming like Y picks some other color, then X goes again. Same deal, right? Either red or other colors. Okay, and now the number of marbles left in the bag is 3. So the probability of picking a red will be 1/3, and the probability of picking something else will be 2 out of 3. Okay, and if X picks the wrong color again, Y gets to draw another marble, right? Now the probability is half half, right? Because there are only 2 marbles remaining. Okay, and if Y chooses the wrong color this time, it's just X wins, lah, right? So looking through the diagram, right, you can count the number of scenarios in which X can win. The first scenario is here. In the very first pick, X picks red, right? So the probability of this occurring is 1 out of 5. Okay. The second scenario is when X goes again, right, which is here. Okay. So X picks first, Y goes next, and then X goes again. If he picks red this time, then he wins, right? So the probability of that occurring is 4 out of 5. Okay, you just trace the tree, right? Here, here, and then down to red. So you have to take 4/5 times 3/4 times 1 out of 3. Okay, you see the numbers cancel out, right? So the probability of this occurring is 1/5 again. Okay, and then the last scenario in which X wins is if they go all the way and then there's only 1 marble left in the bag, right? This is the third scenario. So to calculate the probability of that happening, again, just trace the path. Okay, so it'll be 4/5 times 3/4 times 2/3 times half. Okay, and then again these numbers cancel out, and then you are left with 1/5. So the probability of X winning is the sum of all these scenarios. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. So X has a 3/5 chance of winning, right? Which means it's not a fair game. So whoever goes first has a higher probability of winning. Okay, so not a fair game.